Hi guys, so in this video we'll just understand what is a square knot, also known as reef knot, and what is a granny's knot, what is a surgeon's knot. So I would be describing you in two basic models. One would be what exactly we do with a rope, and the next how exactly it happens when we suture the patient. So let's start now. I'm using a rope and I'm using my foot as a model. You can see the rope, it's been colored black and white. So black is on the left hand side and white is on the right hand side. Yes, so now we will cross. See, we have crossed the left side, that is the black, over the white side. Yes, this is the most important thing to understand. We have crossed the black over the white, that is left over the right. Then we are going to make the first crossing. Yes, good. And now moving towards the next. So in a square knot we need to remember what we have crossed before. So again I am crossing the black side, that is my left side, over the white, and then again I am making a turn. Now I'll tighten up this knot and we'll see what structure is formed. Yes, so the structure that you can see, in which you can see both the white strands, that is the right sided, are moving above the black strand, that is the left side. Okay, this is an important, this structure is called as square knot, also known as reef knot. So this is how a square knot when we tie with a rope looks like. See, you can see in the image. You need to remember this image, this structure you need to remember. Now we'll see how does a square knot looks when we do a suture. So this is a quick video of making a simple interrupted suture. We'll see we have seen that first we are making two throws and then one throw. So this is basically the surgeon's knot. We'll look into it afterwards also. Let's see how this knot appears when we put it on a bigger thing. See, we have made the surgeon's knot. Already we have made the two throws, and now I'm using my two fingers as the needle holder. See, I've made the first circle around it and I am holding the white thread, that is the left sided thread, and I'm bringing it out of it. So I'm making the first knot after the two throws. See the structure how it happens. Again, I will hold it in such a way that the surgeon's knot take place. That is, again the white, I am rolling the white in a backhand structure and I'm trying to get the black one, that is the left thread, and again making the cross. Yes, you can try this by yourselves. You'll see how and when we get a surgeon's knot and how and when we get a granny's knot. Now again you see the structure that we have made. This structure is again very similar, or this is exactly the structure of surgeon's knot. So this is how after the surgeon's knot we have made the second knot, and this turned out to be a square knot. Okay, see what happens when we make some wrong throws and we end up doing granny's knot. Now let's find out how is a granny's knot. Again that same, we are having black on our left hand side, white on our right hand side, and we are crossing over the black over the white for the first turn, and we have made the first turn. Now second time I'm not crossing the black over the white, I'm crossing the white over the black. This is opposite to what we have done in the square knot. See the structure that is formed afterwards. This is not similar to what was formed before. This is called as granny's knot. This is not a square knot, it is a granny's knot. You can see the on one side white is above and one side black is above, and when we try to pull any one thread we can see the knot slips. So this is why the granny's knot slips. So we'll see the structural images of a square knot and of a granny's knot. See, this is how they look. See the square knot and see the granny's knot. Now we'll see how this granny's knot happens when we try to do it on a suture. So we have made a granny's knot here, and when we are trying to stretch it out, see how it slips. So this is a very minute image of square knot that we have made. Now let's see the last one, that is the surgeon's knot. For surgeon's knot, we are going to make first two throws. These two throws are given so as to secure or so as to keep the knot in its position so it does not slip away because of the tension. Then we make the first throw, which is forward throw, and the next, see, we have made it from the backward side, so backward throw. So this is how we complete a simple interrupted suture. The first two is the surgeon's knot, so it does not slip away, we can see that. Thank you guys. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was conceptual for you guys. Thank you.